I'm back and I'm finna put y'all on game. When you have women in your life, whether that be your female cousin, auntie, mother, sister, whoever you peeping game from, female homies included, you have to filter what comes out of their mouth and go strictly off the action. Because they'll give you the game, but they're going to put some bullshit right on top of that. You got to read between the lines with them. They ain't going to never give it to you straight. Peep game. Say for instance you got your female homie or your female cousin or whatever come over and she got her friends with her and you peep one of the homies that you like. You know what I'm saying? That she your type. This is going to show you how the females in your life view you and what's being said about you when you're not around. This can happen 4 ways. Just go talk to her. She right there. You don't want that. Don't talk to her. She nasty. She taken. Meaning she got a boyfriend, she engaged, married, or she got a baby daddy, which never mattered. You know what I'm saying? Because let's be real. Everybody got somebody that they stuck on. And everybody got a boyfriend or a girlfriend depending on who's asking. Then you got the fourth and the last way, which is the one that you always want. Let me go holler at her. You feel me? Before you go talk to her, let me go put a bug in her. That means she finna go put on game about you and make you look like that nigga. So you know what I'm saying? When you go over there, it'll be all game. It'll be easy. If I'm speaking facts, drop a P in the comments right now. If I'm speaking facts, drop a P in the comments right now. Don't think because y'all been locked in since day one and y'all relationship and everything since y'all was shorties that they won't hate on you. It has happened and it will happen. You just got to peep game. If you getting everything that I listed except number 4, your female friend or a relative ain't rocking with you the way you think they is, because they'll even go as far as to the extent of throwing you up under the bus, you know what I'm saying, or making you look like a lame-ass nigga when you not around. And that's after they put you on with the chick and tell you that they're going to rock with you and that y'all locked in. You tell her to put you on with one of her homies and she tell you, oh, she like niggas with money. She like scammers. She like street niggas. Come on, now. That's telling you how she view you right there. You don't meet the criteria. You're going to go over there anyway, and you're going to get the line. You're going to try to text her or FaceTime her, and she going to not respond. Want to know why? Because she just put her own game about you. Don't respond to him. Don't text him. He's a goofy. He's dirty. He a bum. He ain't got no money. He still stay with his mama. That's why you got to read between the lines. She just hated on you. She don't know what your mouthpiece capable of. Bad bitches love broke niggas that know how to fuck. Gang. I'm popping it right now. But we're going to say that for another video. If you like the content, hit the like button. Go ahead and follow me. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared to subscribe to my YouTube. We're going to chime in on another one.